Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and switch profiles on Netflix PC. So in here, I've already opened the Netflix PC apps on my computer and I've already on my profiles in here. And the first thing that I want to show you is how you can switch profiles. So what you need to do is just put your cursor on your photo or your profile at the top until this show up the pop-up menu, so you can just choose the profiles that you want to switch into. For example, I'm going to switch into this profile. Just click on the profile and just wait, and within seconds the profile will switch. Now again, go at the top right corner and tap on the manage profiles options. Okay, so now here you can add profile. You can choose the name. For example, I'm going to just go with new. Here you can also change the avatar or the icon for the profile. If you are creating a profile for your kids, you can enable this kids profile, so only see kids with so it will show you the kid-friendly TV shows and movies. But if it's not, you can just skip this and just tap on save. And just like that, the new profile will be created. So guys, that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.